Introducing the 2025 Ford Puma Titanium 5D 1.0T 125 MHEV M6F. This sleek black MPV is equipped with a plethora of comfort, safety and security features, ensuring a smooth and secure ride every time. From the luxurious interior to the advanced technology, this vehicle has it all. Plus, with features like lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Rest assured, this car has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Ready to experience the Ford Puma Titanium for yourself? Contact us at Dooley Motors Carlo today.